Alright, so next I'm going to show you guys a variation of the push-up, the kneeling push-up. This is for you guys who can't quite do the push-up just yet. So, what we're going to do, same deal here, push out with the shoulders, scooch the hips back a little bit, and you're going to get your knees a little bit back. From here you're going to tuck the hips under, shoulders are pushed out, and we're going down slow, same concept, pressing it up, nice and explosive. Same concept here, keeping the core tight. We want to keep those shoulder blades pushed out, hips tucked under, core is tight. Squeeze the glutes, looking straight down, pressing it up. All right, and that is the kneeling push-up. Go ahead, give it a try.